guys, good afternoon. Punta kami ni Lolo sa Zurich, mamasyal. It's Lolo on the drive. So I hope everything is okay and Lolo will have also a wonderful day. Walang sakit na mararamdaman. I hope makapaglakad-lakad kami ng matagal today. What a wonderful weather today. So sarap maglakad-lakad ngayon guys kasi medyo maganda yung weather ngayon. I hope we enjoy our outing in Zurich with Lolo Watchel. Look at the sky, the clouds, the ocean blue sky, and the cotton clouds, beautiful. Ganda ng ano, araw. Look at that. That's Lolo. Andito na kami sa Schindelige guys. Dito kami lilipat ng train papuntang Zurich Center. Look at, it's really nice, the clouds. So dito si Lolo magbabayad ng parking as usual. Number 33 Lo. Don't forget the number 33. 33.
Now you have the 4 francs.
Ah, sorry. Ah, look, the train is already there, oh.
That is the other one.
5 francs yung bayad sa ano, guys. Sa parking. Now, okay. So it's okay now?
I think.
Okay.
Connect.
No
That is
ticket?
Connect.
Bitte. It's already said bitte. Okay. Schendelige. See? It's Lolo. Magbabayad. You're ordering for tickets? La? Train tickets to Zurich. That guys. From here, it's going to Einsiedeln. Beautiful. Bye bye. Say Lolo. Taga-video na lang ako, lo.
Ah, here.
What? The change for ano? The change for ano, wag ba? Dito guys, pag nag-aabang ka ng tren, tapos nilalamig ka kasi wala pa yung tren, pwede ka magtambay dito sa cabin. Ano na siya guys? With heater na siya dito. Pwede kayo magtambay. Yan. Ayan si Lolo na kotsero, nagbabasa ng diaryo, 20 minutes. Newspaper. Nasa loob kami ng cabin para mas maganda ang temperatura. Mas malamig kasi sa labas. Hindi naman gano'ng kalamig, I mean, kayang-kaya naman. Pero gusto ni Lolo magtambay dito sa loob ng cabin. Train is coming. Here na. Hello. Dito na kami guys. Sorry. So we go here. We go on that side, look. That's nice. That's Zurich Lake. Look at the clouds. Beautiful. Wow. Zurich Lake. There's a train guys. Look to Lolo.
Nächster Halt, Samstag.
Samstagen. Sorry.